Hey there, everybody. Sam here. Want to release a quick update for you about the new HIPAA waiver. So, I was about to make a video yesterday about how school nurses and physicians and school counselors would need to use a HIPAA compliant video conferencing service. But yesterday, the Department of Health and Human Services announced that they would be waiving potential HIPAA penalties for good faith use of telehealth during the emergency COVID-19 outbreak. Here's another quote. Providers will be allowed to use everyday technologies to talk to telehealth patients. So that means that normally the waiver that normally the HIPAA regulations that would apply to things like Zoom and Google Meet, which would require you to jump through a few more hoops, those are no longer in place. So you can use Zoom, you can use Google Meet if you're a school counselor, if you're a physician, if you are a school nurse. I still want to go over, just in case this waiver expires and we go back to needing to comply with HIPAA for video conferencing, what you could use. There's one tool called doxy.me. It's a secure telemedicine solution, as they say right here. What's really nice about it is it has a waiting room. You can register, you can create appointments, and you know that you're compliant with all kinds of regulation when you're using this. It is free. There is a paid version as well that has HD calling or something, but you certainly don't need that. If you want to use Zoom, they do have a telehealth option. It does cost a certain amount of money. Again, I'm not quite familiar with setting this up or rolling it out. I've never rolled out Zoom for telehealth, but there is a way to do it, and I will include all these links in the description below this video. And last, I found this article about how to make GSuite compliant. There's a business associate agreement that needs to be obtained and signed. It's a HIPAA compliant BAA. Again, I am not an expert in getting these products certified for HIPAA compliance. Instead, I'd rather prefer to use something like doxy.me, which I know for a fact is HIPAA compliant and not have to jump through all the hoops, or pay extra to make a tool that I use like Zoom more compliant. But in any event, during the course of this outbreak, you are able to use G Suite, you're able to use Zoom, you're able to use anything as long as it is a good faith, so I wouldn't use chat roulette. And when that regulation changes, we'll try to post an update as soon as we can. Thanks so much.